Today, I'm showing you how to place a low-friction checkbox directly below your bundle offers to pick up that extra $5 to $10 without hurting your conversion rate. Here is how to set it up in 1 minute. First, install the Kaching Bundles app from the Shopify App Store, or grab the link in the description. Once you have it installed, open your dashboard. We're going straight into an existing deal. Full setup is linked in the top corner. Scroll past the quantity breaks until you see the CheckBox Upsell. Right there, you'll see an option to add your product. You can either select a product by hand, or if you've already set up complementary products in Shopify, you can just use that. I want a specific product, so I'll go with the selected product option. From here, you can adjust the price, add custom title, edit the image, and then set it to selected by default, match quantity with deal bar, show quantity selector, or enable for subscription customers. CheckBox upsells are one of the simplest AOV wins on Shopify, but if you sell custom products and want to upsell custom personalization, watch this next.